Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that would get rid of those flappy hands, Alright, so this home remedy is gonna help you gradually remove those flappy hands. It's going to also tighten up your chin and your face. Okay, it's going to generally tighten up your skin. So anywhere you want it to tighten up, you have to apply this home remedy on that particular place, and you are going to be seeing a huge result. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and also turn on that bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, please leave your comments below, and now let's dive into the video. And then we're going to be making use of potato. Now in this potato we're going to be making use of the starch, guys. Potato starch is loaded with numerous nutrients, and it's also great in lightening up the skin. It works in removing dark spots, pigments, and it's also a great remedy for dark spots. So it will help to firm up the skin. The starch in it will also help to tighten up a loose and a flappy skin. So we're going to first of all peel the potato. Okay, so I'm going to be peeling it really light because this potato is actually small. So now we're just gonna blend this potato. So we're gonna be cutting it in little tiny pieces. To get the starch out of this, you have to blend it, guys. Okay, if you just grate it, the starch is not going to come out very much. And now we're going to squeeze it. So if you have a cloth to use to just squeeze out the juice, it's okay. You know that cloth that is used for straining. So after doing that, I'm gonna be keeping this water for it to like sink down, okay, so that the starch can really come out. So I'll be keeping it aside. I'm going to be making use of avocado. Now avocado is a great anti-aging remedy that works in removing an aged skin. It helps you glow. It makes your skin look younger. It also helps to firm up a loose and saggy skin. So it's going to be very helpful in firming up the saggy or flappy hands. So I have here my avocado pear, so I'm going to be extracting the seed. And for this I just need a little of avocado, so just this quantity is going to be enough. So I have to remove the avocado mix. And now let's mash it, okay? I would have loved to blend it, but since it's actually very small, there'll be no need to blend it because it might not even blend very well. So let me just mash it since it's actually very ripe. And we're going to also be needing egg. Egg is a natural skin tightener. It glows the skin because of the astringent property in egg. It will therefore help to leave the skin looking younger and radiant. It also a natural remedy for a large and open pores. It helps to shrink the size of a pores, and it also helps to polish up the skin. So using egg alongside with avocado will help so much in tightening up the saggy skin. We're just going to be needing the egg, so I'm going to be breaking in and now let's put in about 2 tablespoons of the egg. Then we're going to be needing rose water and glycerin. Now rose water and glycerin is known to tone up the skin, and it also helps to moisturize the skin. It contains a natural remedy that helps to calm the redness of an irritated skin. It works in glowing up the skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells, and it also works with a combination of avocado and potato starch. It will help to tighten up a loose and a flappy skin. So I'm going to be putting in about half teaspoon of glycerin. Okay, and that is enough. Then let me just stir these 3 ingredients together at first, okay? Now you have to be patient, give it a little time so that the ingredients mix together. And now I'm just going to strain out the water. And here you have the starch beneath the plate. So here's the starch, and now you have to turn in the starch into this treatment. So now you mix the ingredients really well. And there you have your flappy hands remedy ready to be used. But before you use it, guys, you have to make sure to mix it, and mix it really well, okay? You can actually also apply this on your face if you're having wrinkles and if you're experiencing any fine lines. Alright, so now I'm actually going to be showing you this with the help of my hand. So what you do is to take this treatment. You're actually going to rub this all over your hand, your flappy hand, or on your face. You have to be generous with it, guys. That's actually the way in which this home remedy is just gonna work. Now the thing is that the home remedy is not like a magic thing, okay? So you don't expect magic, but nonetheless you have to, you know, be consistent and apply. After you've actually applied this, then you have to hold on and wait for it to dry. Now when it's dry, you're going to notice that it's just going to tighten up your hands or your face or wherever you apply this. That's basically how it works. You can store this for a few days. So use this and apply. You can even apply it on your face if you have wrinkles anywhere, and it's going to help you a whole lot. So that's it, guys. If you did love this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop your comments below and also share this video. Turn on that bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawlessly beautiful. Bye guys.